Hey, happy Sunday, everybody. We all keep seeing the statistics that about 70% of real estate agents haven't had a closing in the last 12 months. And a lot of real estate agents, I see them going to trainings, constantly showing up, flying off to an event somewhere, going to the conferences where they can learn about real estate. And to me, it's a waste of time if you don't plug in. Brick and mortar offices, I know it's just so hip to say that they're just a thing of the past, but one of the things that I noticed are the agents that show up at the offices, and we have a traditional brick and mortar here at West Shore Plaza in Tampa, and I know a lot of the successful agents that I know in Tampa still have brick and mortar. They're plugging in. The agents that you see in the office that are plugging in, that are coming in on a day like today, I have the whole office to myself. I'm plugged in, I'm prospecting, I'm doing what I can't do during the week because I'm too busy. Those are the agents that are making money. So going to these conferences, going to these trainings, and it makes you sleep good at night because I'm gonna implement this, it's like if you were going to the gym and you wanted to change the shape of your body and you're reading books constantly on what diet and how to work out and should I go lift weights or should I do Pilates or should I run? And you're constantly doing the research, but if you never put it into action, you're never gonna make any money. That's the 70% of the people that are not making money. I'd love to be able to show you how we do it here in Tampa, what we're doing on Sunday on a day like today to prospect so the money starts to churn. And when you got your real estate license, what you thought real estate was gonna be, it can be. I know that you can do it, and if you'd like more information, just inbox me here and we'd love to show you how the agents that are crushing it over here at our office are doing it, what they're doing, and how they're doing it. I'm Vincent Arcuri. Call or text me as well at 813-VINCENT, 813-846-2368.